This meditation has been designed to help you connect with your heart and soul and use your imagination. Make an agreement with yourself before you start that you will allow your rational mind to take a long-deserved rest and your imagination to come alive. Sit comfortably either on a chair with both your feet touching the ground, on a cushion, or on the floor with your legs crossed, or lying down on your back. Whatever you feel more comfortable and present with. There is no wrong or right way. Our only aim is to have a straight spine. We want to be in a state of ease and completely relaxed, so we can connect with our heart without being distracted with discomfort. Now take a deep breath for a count of 3 and exhale for a count of 3. Feel your body expand as you breathe in and imagine that you're expanding it in all directions like a balloon. And relax as you breathe out, imagining that you have merged with a stalk from the base of your spine, which is rooting you deep into the earth. Continue to breathe in and out like this for a few moments. Breathe in for a count of 3 and exhale for a count of 3. Remembering to expand as you breathe in and root to the earth on the exhale. Now imagine as you continue to breathe deeply, a ball of bright white light is hovering above your head. Greet this ball of light with reverence and a smile and welcome it to enter your body through the top of your head. Imagine the light spreading throughout your head, reaching all parts of your brain and down into your forehead. Relax on the forehead for a moment or two, imagining the white light removing all pressure and worries, smoothing out frowns and worry lines. Now move the white ball of light down your face and into your throat, and imagine it floating there in the middle of your throat. Feel the warmth permeating from the ball of light surrounding your neck and breathe deeply. Move the warmth across your shoulders and release any pressure you were holding there. Come back to the ball of light and take it slowly down into the center of your chest, between the front and back of your upper torso. This is where your heart chakra is, the energetic point of your heart, which bridges your earthly aspirations to those of your soul. This point signifies compassion and unconditional love. Breathe deeply into this point, imagining the white light expanding outside of your body and entering the room you are sitting in as you breathe in. and coming back into the center of your chest as you exhale. This light signifies love, compassion, and forgiveness for yourself. Continue to breathe deeply, expanding the light into the room on the inhale and bringing it back to the ball in your chest on the exhale. Now, repeat this affirmation to yourself. I am willing to love life and honor my heart's desires. I am willing to love life and honor my heart's desires. I am willing to love life and honor my heart's desires. Continue to repeat this affirmation to yourself. Now come back to the ball of light in your chest. Take a deep breath in and expand the light, and breathe out and bring it back to the ball in your chest. Put both hands on your chest and slowly open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking the time to do this meditation and connect to your heart. Now immediately sit down with a paper and pen or pencil and write down the first words or sentences that come to your mind and connect to your heart's desire and purpose. They could be single words like health, abundance, success, or any full sentences that come to your mind. Keep your piece of paper safe, as we will come back to it during the workshop. Have a beautiful rest of your day.